AMIC presents a great opportunity for the Northern Ireland manufacturing community. I'm really excited to come in here as CEO, bringing some of the experience from the High Value Manufacturing Catapult, and really working to bring the vision to life that's already been built by the team here. The chance to place Northern Ireland manufacturing at the heart of the UK ecosystem, and through innovation and technology to transform the Northern Ireland manufacturing sector is a great opportunity that couldn't be turned down. I'm really excited to get started.
The High Value Manufacturing Catapult is absolutely delighted to be able to enter into this partnership with Queen's University to help on the journey of AMIC. The Catapult is all about industrial transformation, and Belfast and Northern Ireland has a fantastic manufacturing history and ecosystem, and we're delighted to help this next part of the journey for AMIC.
Here at Queen's, our partnerships with government and industry are key to the success of the innovation centres funded through the Belfast Region City Deal. Such partnerships are essential in sectors such as manufacturing, where our Advanced Manufacturing Innovation Centre, AMIC, can make a real impact. Our new partnership with the High Value Manufacturing Catapult in GB will increase AMIC's ability to link at scale into UK-wide networks and give industry in Northern Ireland increased access to national expertise. It also gives our businesses a platform to showcase their expertise nationally, leading to many mutually beneficial collaborations for inclusive, innovation-led economic growth.